For this problem, you're going to start at -1, and then you're going to go up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. You can repeat that pattern up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. To do the opposite, you go down to left 5, down to left 5, and then do the best that you can with drawing your straight line, and then have arrows on the end. I need to see the ordered pairs plotted, and I need to see as straight as possible with arrows on both ends. For number 2, you're going to begin at +5. Now our slope is -3/7, so that means go down 3 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right. Opposite is up 3. 5, 6, 7. Notice that they're equally spaced, so I'm going to do the best that I can with my line, draw arrows on the end, make sure those points are plotted. Now for this problem, it says write the equation in point slope form. So point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. Now the only work you needed to do was to label, and then you're just plugging in the points. So we have y minus our y1, which is 5, equals the -3, which is our m, parentheses x, then -1. So please don't convert because it says point slope. So then you just find your answer and you move on to the next question. For this question, it says in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. We don't have a b. We do have our x1, y1. So that means we have to start out with the y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1, which is our point slope form. We're going to plug in our values. Now be careful here. The x1 is a -4. The minus and a negative really become x plus 4 inside parentheses. Now we need to make it y equals mx plus b. So all we have to do is get rid of the parentheses by distributing. So then we have 2x plus 8, and then we're going to add 3 on both sides to get y by itself. So then finally we have it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals 2x plus 11. Now our fifth problem is a little more in detail. We don't have the m yet, but we have the slope formula. So we have to plug that in. 2 minus, once again be careful, that negative sign matters, 1 minus 3. So 2 minus -4 is a +6 over a -2, which becomes our -3. So that's our m. And now it does not matter which ordered pair you label as your x1, y1, but I will just put 3, -4 as our x1, y1, and then we just plug it in like we have for the last two problems. This is our point slope form. So we have our y minus our -4 equals, we found our -3 for our m, x minus 3. Now we want to simplify that. It's y plus 4. And then we can distribute to simplify. And then we just minus 4 on both sides. So then we have y equals -3x plus 5. So for this problem, I just needed you to put y equals -3x plus 5. For this problem, I just needed you to convert. We have y minus 6 equals negative 5 parentheses x plus 1. So y minus 6 equals negative 5x minus 5. All we have to do is add 6 on both sides. So then we have y equals negative 5x plus 1, because negative 5 plus 6 is plus 1. 7 was a video that you needed to watch, so I'm not going to go over and make a second video over the same problem. But for number 8, you want to find an ordered pair that crosses right at the corner of the grid. I'm going to go up and then to the right. I'm going to go up 2 spaces. I'm going to go right 1. So that means my slope is rise over run, which is 2 over 1, or 2. So you're going to simplify that. We need to have it in point slope form, because now we have a point, which we said was 3, 2. So that's our x1, y1. So I'll give you an ordered pair on the graph, and then you just plug it in. Y minus 2, which is our y1, equals 2, which is our slope. X minus 3, the 3 comes from our x1. Then we're going to distribute that 2. And then we're going to solve for y. So we're going to add 2 on both sides. So then we're going to get y equals 2x. Negative 6 plus 2 is a minus 4. So it's y equals 2x minus 4.